Hello, hello my lovely friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Anna. I would like to say a massive thank you to you all for being here with me, for supporting my channel, for giving me a thumbs up on my tutorials, for helping me growing my channel. And as you may noticed, my channel hit over 1.5k subscribers. I don't like to call subscribers, I'd like to call it friends. And as a thank you, I'm coming and I'm throwing a candy for one of you. So it's gonna be a massive box filled with all of these goodies, which is gonna be drawn using a random generator for one lucky winner. And whatever the country you are, don't worry, the postage is on me, the VAT is on me. So I would like to share this love and say a thank you for being here. So let me show you what I have here for you. Let's start with flowers because we all love flowers. You're gonna get these beautiful fabric flowers made by Lady E Design, our wonderful Amelia. I specially purchased this flowers for you. There will be also a packet with paper flowers from Little Birdies. There's gonna be a box filled of different paper and Formiran flowers made by me. Plenty to play with. You also will get dies, beautiful dies from our amazing Amelia, a doily and leaves to fill your composition with flowers. You're gonna receive a big bundle of different chipboards. There's gonna be some frames, some different elements. So it's perfect for card making, perfect for mixed media, even for art journaling if you fancy a little bit bulky art journal. You will get 150 doilies, paper doilies. You will get some wooden elements to play with. There's also distress ink. You also will get acrylic block for your stamps, some resins, pack of brushes. Brushes always good. We're gonna have some cling stamp from Primo Marketing, this cute girl. Some stamps from Maremi, our amazing Marta. You also will get a set of rice paper from Marta, 2 rice papers from Stamperia, which is perfect for art journaling, which is perfect for mixed media project, even for card making, why not. There's also gonna be this cute stamp from Marlene, beautiful stamp set. Collage paper, 2 packs of collage paper, and amazing collection from Scrap Boys Sew in Love. Beautiful papers. Take a closer look how gorgeous these are. And also a Fairyland, which is perfect for card making, for also any other scrapbooking project, for example album making, anything whatever you fancy. So the steps are very simple to take a part and participate in this giveaway. They are very simple. The rules are very simple. All you need to do is follow, like and subscribe to all the links which I will list you in the description box below to support my sponsors. Don't forget to also follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And once you've completed those steps, all you need to do is leave me a comment with just one word saying done and the country you are based as well. Okay, so that's everything from me for you today, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me, to supporting me, and I love you all and I appreciate you all, and I hope you have a happy time here with me watching my tutorials. I hope I'm giving you an inspiration to stretch your imagination, to try and step out of your comfort zone, to come up with a new project and stuff like that. So a massive thank you and big heart for you all. So that's everything from me for you today. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. This massive pizza box what I've created and put up together for you. And good luck. You will have the time till end of this month to participate in this giveaway. And the lucky winner will be drawn at the first week of April. And I will announce that using obviously the YouTube. So that's it. I'll talk to you super soon. Get into it. Share this information on your social media so more people will have a chance to join this candy and will have a chance to win those goodies. So bye for now, my beautiful friends. I'll talk to you super soon. Take care. Kisses to you all. Bye bye.